How are you?
Yes, I am doing great. Everything is going smoothly at my place as well.
Okay.
Uh, Thank you so much for your concern. How is the weather your side?
It's raining outside. I guess now it's stopped, but before some time it was raining. So it's a intermittent rain. We can't expect now. It's a Savan month is going on, right? July
No.
month is going on, so it happens. We can't
Yes.
expect it. Yes. So you tell me, how's the weather over there?
Yeah, in Maharashtra, we face raining season from last 1 month, and I really enjoy. Though there is lots of difficulty
Hmm.
when we need to
Ex-
go outside, and sometimes Wi-Fi is not working, Wi-Fi glitch always there. But still, I love the weather, so there is no such complaint at all. I enjoy weather.
Actually,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Even
Hmm.
in Pune, we don't suffer a lot because of rain, because of weather. Throughout the year, there is a moderate temperature. So I really love the weather in Pune.
Exactly. Sometimes things can't go as we expect, isn't it? Like now it's raining, after some time, weather would be pleasant, elegant, everything would be fine, but we should enjoy this rain as well. Because sometimes we, desperate that when rain will come, when rain, but once the rain comes, we want, okay, now the weather would be pleasant again. So,
Definitely.
it's a human tendency.
We plan a lot of things, but when the plan would not work, so we feel so much hectic. We try to take lots of tension. How can I manage things? But it happens. We have to manage. There are lots of plan who doesn't work like we want. But yes, we have to manage. This is
Exactly.
life.
Exactly. Okay, so Jyoti, just we are talking for the very first time. I guess we should fulfill the formality of introduction. So, I go first or you go?
Yes, you can start first,
Okay.
please.
So I'm going to give my introduction, brief introduction. So my name is Meenakshi. I'm from Punjab, district Jalandhar. Currently, I am homemaker, proud mother of one daughter. My qualification, I have done master's degree in the year of 2018. So currently, I am teaching also. I teach spoken English. Moreover, I'm running a very small YouTube channel by the name of English with Meenakshi. So it's a nutshell introduction. If you would like to ask something else, I'm ready to give you answer.
Great introduction. Your plate is already full. You are a mother, then you manage your home, YouTube, then you are taking classes. YouTube, there
I'm
is
not
lots of
running. I'm not running only one YouTube channel. I'm running two YouTube channel. One YouTube channel is for my husband. So it's
yes.
quite difficult.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can understand the time management issue. There is always there. I
exactly.
understand. Okay,
Exactly.
shall I start?
Yes, yes, yes. I would love to know about you.
Yeah, so I am Jyoti Mishra. I am basically from Bihar, but I live in Pune. Previously, I was working in a corporate sector, but I was not enjoying, so I just left my job 1 month before, and now I run a YouTube channel, and I also provide English classes as well. If I talk about my hobbies, there are multiple hobbies I love in my spare time. But nowadays, I am into this language, so I love reading books, writing, taking classes for my YouTube channel, and also I love my students. They are very cute. And if I talk about other things, so yes, I have green thumb. I love play chess and badminton. That's all from my side.
What a wonderful introduction from your side as well. So I guess there are so many women's their plate is already overloaded and they are living their life happily because earlier we wife used to depend on our husbands, right? Whenever they had to go somewhere, we used to ask, when did you come back? When would you come back? Okay, so such kind of questions, but nowadays we are not bothering them because we already have so many things in our plate. So our
And
life
all
is occupied.
true. And also we have money. Now we are earning. So we
Yes,
don't need to ask in every time. Like I want this, please provide me some money. Because we earn money. So we have freedom to choice. Whatever you want, you can take. There is lots of things we just watch in a mobile. We just ordered. We don't even need to ask. I think this is the real happiness when you have the choice to take decision. We
Right.
always ask what is women empowerment. I believe this is actual
Mhm.
empowerment. You
Right.
want and you can do. You want, you can do, you can implement. You don't need to ask anyone. So that is great things nowadays we are doing. So we should proud ourselves, whether other do or not. But yes, we are doing great, I would say. It's
Right.
not that much easy to do, but we are doing.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. But to be honest, I'm still depend on my husband. Whenever I have to buy anything, I often say, my husband, could you please give me some money? I want to buy this. Sometimes he says that now you earn, you can also purchase or buy this thing, from your money. But I say, okay, I can save it. I can save it in mutual fund. So he says, okay, no problem. You can take it. We have right to ask our husband as well, isn't it?
Correct. We can ask, and yes, whatever he earns, it is our. There is no brainer about it.
Right.
But I love when I anything I purchase for my family or for me with my own earnings.
Yeah.
Whether he is earning very well, and by the God grace, everything is going very nice
Hmm.
beyond expectation. But still, when I have money in my account and it is my own hard earned money, and when I don't need to ask, then I think I feel very much happy.
Hmm.
Previously, when I was working, so there is lots of things in our home we need to fulfill, like grocery. There is lots of things. So
Yes.
this is only about his responsibility. I never spend any rupees in my kitchen, like what I need to take for kitchen. So this is only for his responsibility. He take care of everything. But yes, when it comes to your desire, your clothes, your gift, then I love to spend my money.
Yes, yes, actually. And I also know this is a very beautiful quote. Men works sun to sun, women work never done. No matter they can earn money, but still they have time to take rest. They can spend quality time with family, not family, but still with friends even. Okay, but women, if women starts working somewhere, so their plate is already overloaded with household chores, taking care of her children, and apart from then if she's working professional, no matter if she working by sitting at home or she's going outside, right? So means she has to handle each and everything wisely. But men, they can work only sun to sun. After that they can come back, return home, and then they can take rest. What's your opinion on it? Do you also think like this?
Yeah, I think like that. Like if a man work outside, so it is easy for them. What I believe, because they don't need to work in kitchen. They are totally free. Once they come from office, they are totally free. If they have kids, so then they spend some quality time with their kids, with their wife. But there is no such pressure. You have to help me every time in kitchen, because it is supposed to do like a woman. It is only your responsibility. You will do. But
Yeah.
when earn money, when they go outside 9 to 5 job, then still there is a 5 to 6 hour work at kitchen, then kids. I
Hmm.
think it is very tough to manage. This is called double duty, and I
Yes.
was struggling a lot
Hmm.
because I had channel. Then I also at that time I was not providing class, but still there was lots of stuff. I was not able to continue, and also I was not enjoying my job. But still there were lots of pressure I had
Hmm.
how to go office on time, because there is shift because when you go late you just continue half day, whether you are only 5 minutes late but your login hours will not complete, you
No.
will consider half day, so you will get salary deduction. This is very hard time for me if I am only late for 5 to 10 minutes and I need to I've just give they always mention you are late. So no matter what is your
Hmm.
responsibility, what you are struggling, they don't know. But if you are late, so you are late. So it there were lots of issue I had faced. And then it was my conscious decision, like it is tough for me to continue. And also, I was not enjoying. The main thing was I was not enjoying at all. I was pro at my work. I always get prize, gift, always. And also, they always mention if there is any program, function, presentation, Jyoti will handle everything. But the main thing was I was not enjoying. So I just thought, no, I need to switch my profession.
Okay, okay.
And
So
I think
nowadays
it
you
is,
are working at home, like you are
yes,
teaching at home. Okay, right, right.
yes, because there's multiple things, and I live alone.
Hmm.
With my husband, I live, but he is also working in airlines, so he has a very hard shift. He doesn't get too much time
Oh,
to do lots of things. On weekends, he try to do lots of things. He also prepared dish for me, what I love, like matar paneer and kaju katli. He always try to do for me. But on weekdays, it is tough for him as well. And
hmm.
then there is lots of things. How can you manage? So then I left. So now I feel much relief. I enjoy my journey, and YouTube changed me a lot. I believe in last 3 months, I have improved a lot, and also my thinking process. I believe I have learned a lot because I connected with lots of people.
Hmm.
Their opinion, their lifestyle, it is really helpful.
Hmm. Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
yes, so whatever you mentioned, that is correct. If both are working, so yes, double pressure is of women only. Men is still free at home. If he is married and he's he live with his wife, so yes, he is free, I believe.
Yes, yes, they are free, but yes, they also have a lot of pressure. Sometimes they don't discuss with their family, like with their mothers and wives. Sometimes, like they try to bottle up their emotions, right? But if come to women or wife, most often they can't bottle up their emotions. They want to, they want to pour their heart out. Okay, and they want to discuss each and everything with their husband, especially after getting married, right? But I guess they also have a lot of pressure at their office. Most probably they are not discussing, but yes, they also have. We should understand them as well. But at least after coming back their home, they can get relaxed for some time, right? Like for
Definitely.
night they can get relaxed, they can fizzle out for after a hectic schedule, but later they can realize, okay, now I am here with my family, and if they have children they can spend some quality time with them, so it can give them relaxation out of their hectic schedule, isn't it?
Definitely, they are going through lots of things like money pressure,
Money
then
pressure.
society pressure. If you don't maintain your lifestyle, so you will be considered unsuccessful. You are not successful in your life if you don't maintain your family, your kids. No matter what you try, they even don't try to understand your condition. But if your situation is not good, your kids is not doing great in their school, so yes, you are going to blamed by them.
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
also there are shift issue as well. My husband always mention these things like my shift is only this and this. Why I need to spend half an hour extra? Whether they have meeting, so they always ask me to please spend some more time with us because we have very special guest today.
Yeah,
So
okay.
why I need to spend there? So this is also a pressure kind of, because you have set your mentality. Okay, this is my shift. Now I can go home. But
Hmm.
there is multiple things, and also they don't prefer to share with wife.
Hmm.
If I have any problem, I just always I want to share with him. I can share anything, everything, anytime.
Hmm.
But doesn't feel that much comfortable because he always thinks women what she will think a lot because we are this type of behavior, we have this type of behavior. If you ask me to help and if I not able to help you, so we start keep deep thinking what would happen, what can I do. So if I am not able to help you, so what I don't want to share with you. So this is his opinion all the time. So like in my office, you cannot help me. So there is no such matter to discuss with you. You are going to disturb as well. So that is what I think. They never shared their problem, but they have a lot.
Yes, yes, as you recently mentioned that I was not content, feel content at my office. So that's why I quit my job, right? So women have option. They can quit their job because they know our husband is there and I don't know, he will earn from family. ठीक है ना? He has to right to feed the family. But women can get rid of such problem, but men can't, because if men stop working, okay, so how he will feed his family, right? So it is a means a lot of pressure. If he stops working, then who will fulfill the fees of our children and everything, grocery, so each and everything depends on money, right? So means husband have to go to office no matter what kind of feeling they have, they are happy or not, they are feeling satisfied, they are on their job, because they can't change their job over and again, one after another. They can't change their job, they have to go, right? They, no matter if they are getting promotion or not, how much salary they are getting over there, but they have to manage, right? So we can't we should understand, actually we should understand our husband, I would say.
Couldn't agree more. Because we are partner, we need to understand each other, and just sharing is always helpful. I believe if you have any problem, I always, even though I get angry, always, why you have not mentioned these things earlier? If you have this problem in your office, why you have not mentioned earlier? You should, I should be known. I am. I have right to know. If you have any problem. So I always,
Yes.
I have short temper issue in this situation. If you don't share with me, so yes. And also in my case, I believe I had option because I got lots of email before even leaving my job. I got lots of email like, I want to learn from you English and please provide me classes. And I was not able to manage my time because of my office. Then I thought a lot of time, like within a four, I have thought this problem, like what can I do? So I thought for 10, 20 days. Then I take this decision, okay, now I can leave my job and I can work from my home and
Right.
I can provide classes and I can earn money as well. And YouTube, the one thing that I really love the most because of my self improvement.
Hmm.
So it was my decision, and yes, he is very helpful. I always mention these things, and yes, men cannot change their job. That it is not that much easy because the if the men can change every here and there for 1 or 2 months, that would be very stressful situation for whole family. Your
Right.
kids, you have kids, they have school,
We
you
have
have
to.
grocery,
Hmm.
home rent, there is multiple things. So
Every.
yes, it was our conscious decision, and because I know English, I can provide classes. So yes, we have option. Otherwise, we need to think a lot before leaving our job. It is
Right.
not that much easy. Whether you are enjoying or not, there are multiple people out there. They don't enjoy their job, but still they do because they think they don't have any other option.
Yes,
Mm.
yes. Women have options. Women have options, but men don't have options, right? So no matter what kind of feeling they have, but they have to continue. But still, if they are not getting the positive environment at their homes, they are not getting appreciation from their wife, right? So I guess somewhere or deep down they feel stressed. So we should understand them. No matter if they are trying to bottle up their emotion, it doesn't mean they are not feeling sad or upset inside them. Okay, so we should understand because they are already into pressure. So if we are not giving them that much love, what they want, so I don't think so that we are understanding them, we are understanding our husbands, right? So I guess
And
we.
men are so simple. In my family, I have brother, my father-in-law, and my husband. So I believe men are so simple. Whenever I provide anything like tea, coffee, or any food, they always give me appreciation. They never demand extra because they are too much tired with their work. Whatever you will provide, they will always be happy. Even one glass of water, if I will give one glass of water from fridge, they are so happy. So I think they don't demand extra things. If you have that kind of partner, what I have, so I believe they don't have that much expectation from you. If you just try to smile with him and try to manage your home, what is your responsibility, so they never demand extra.
Hmm. Right, right. You are absolutely right. And means I couldn't agree more with you. I am also lucky. I would say I should be grateful to God that I also have a husband who always supports me. Right? Because if you have a supportive hand, supportive husband, so you can manage your things very politely, wisely. Okay, no matter where are you living, if even if you have only one room but you have a loving husband, okay, so I am not talking about children because we can't rely on our children, but at least we should have great bond with each other. Husband wife should have great bond to each other, right? So even like whenever I manage, I am just managing his YouTube channel as well. So sometimes he says, okay, today I am going to prepare tea for you, so please sit here, okay? Because you have to edit your channel, then my channel, then your conversational videos, then looking after your daughter, managing the household chores. So there are so many things you manage, and in the evening you have to teach your students. So you also have 24 hours. So when he understands Meena, so it gives me sense of gratification that at least he appreciates me, he appreciates my work. He knows that my plate is already overloaded, and if he provides me only one cup of tea, that means a lot. So I always say thank you for making one cup of tea for me. It's not a one cup of tea, but you are giving me a pouring me a so much love that I need. Okay. So you can also brush aside or turn a blind eye over this. Okay. It's your work. You have to handle. Okay. After getting married, every woman do this. Right. So why you can't? Right. So if you have a husband like my husband, so definitely you should be grateful of each and everything, I would say.
So sweet of you. You mentioned so lovely memory, and I also believe the same. It is
Right.
not about a cup of coffee or tea. It is
Hmm.
all about love, the care, respect. This
Yes.
is what we need. We
Yes.
can pretend tea even 5 to 10 minutes, but when he does, it makes me happy.
Yes, it makes us
Not,
happy.
it is not only about just a cup of tea. It is showing your love, your respect. Like yes, you value my work. And I'm also curious to know you mentioned your husband channel. So what is the concept of the channel and what you do? Like how you manage?
Yes, yes. My husband is a preacher. We are living even in the Gurdwara Sahib. So my husband is a preacher, like Katha Vachak. I guess, do you know? So Katha Vachak. He means it is his job. So whenever he preaches in the Gurdwara Sahib, I just record his video and upload on his channel. Like it's a universal channel, like related to spirituality.
Okay, understood. Then you upload and you edit everything you do on your own.
Yes, yes, yes. I am trying my best. I am not perfect, but I am trying my best.
Okay, understood. That is really amazing. So you attend every function, like the uh, puja, every function you attend?
No, not puja. Here in the Gurdwara Sahib, he does this, na. So we are
Okay.
living on the upstairs, the Gurdwara Sahib on the downstairs. So whenever like around 7:30, not 7:30, sorry, a quarter to 8, he starts his katha. Then I just record. I just hold the camera over there by taking help of tripod, and then once he done, and then I just keep my phone and start editing it and all. Yes.
Okay, okay, understood.
Yes.
Still,
Yes.
it takes time to edit video
Yes.
and
Yes.
hats off. you are doing. That is amazing. And
Yes.
you got appreciation. That is way more important.
Sometimes
That is
over appreciation. Sometimes I stop my husband, बस करो यार, इतना भी नहीं होता, बस ठीक है ना. But he say it means a lot. He always say it means a lot to me that I used to go somewhere else. I used to take help of my friend. Could you do it for me? And I used to spend nights as well over there when I was not aware how to manage the YouTube channel. But since I learned, I my husband didn't go anywhere, so that's why he appreciates my efforts.
okay, understood. Because he suffered a lot previously for
Suffered a
this,
lot. Hmm.
how to manage channel. That is the reason he
Yes.
really appreciates you because he knows the value of this. I also think it is not that much easy because it took me a lot time to
Yes.
learn. Still, I am not pro, but I am trying my best. But still, there is lots of things to manage YouTube channel, and we
Right.
don't have any course. We learn on our own, like watching video, then using ChatGPT. So yes, it takes lots of time then to learn how to upload, to record totally new things, I think.
But at least we should proud of ourselves and pat on our back. At least as a woman living in the family, managing everything, looking after our children, we are doing something extra, right? Which makes us feel proud, and we can open many doors for us. If anyone will get give us any opportunity in the future, we can't say we are living idle at home. Right? Yes, I am a housewife. Moreover, I am a content creator. I am a teacher. Right? I am making videos. So there are so many things. So person will definitely, get impressed by us, and then will say, wow, you are already doing. So you can manage our company as well. Right?
Managing home is way more tough than office.
Hmm.
You have everything. You just need to do laptop work in office. Sometimes I believe it is way more easier. In our home, we manage multiple things. And in office, there is everything sorted. You just need to sit. There is AC. You have your tea break, your lunch break. Everything is sorted. Sometimes I also think, but the mental pressure is high in office sometimes.
Yes, exactly. We have to work under pressure. Sometimes if we are not in mood, we can skip by sitting at home, but we can't skip by going at working place, right?
Yeah.
So you tell me, how many children do you have?
No, I have not. We have not planned yet. Recently, I got married.
Okay, okay, okay. Right, right. Actually, I forgot. I thought I didn't listen to your introduction carefully. So I thought you mentioned there. Okay. So here you are living with your husband. Okay. You both are there.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So that's how you get enough time for managing each and everything, like content creation, then teaching. So how many children do you have to teach, like students?
Yes, it is easy for me nowadays because I have enough time in day. So
Okay.
I once he goes office, then I feel I get some times like for 7 to 8 hours. Then I can manage my whole day, my whole
Okay.
work. Yes, nowadays I am teaching 7 to 8 students.
Wow. Are they kids or are they working professional or housewives?
Yes, both like mix of all of them. Some of them are really working hard, like they are working in office and they
Hmm.
are only available on weekends. So I need to provide only class on weekends, 2 hour, and then some of them are kids, so they
Oh,
are free in the evening after school. Then we have a housewife also, and they don't know anything. Like
oh,
the grammar is also the concept is not clear, so I need to explain first. So yes, I have lots of people, and the background is also different. They some of them is to truly know everything. They just need to polish how to speak. They don't have that much confidence what to speak out
okay.
loud, and they have hesitation that I
Yes.
also had. lots of time I struggle a lot, and I also mentioned when I got lots of email, please provide me class. I mentioned them, please give me some more time. I was not too much ready that time. I
Okay.
need some more time. But they always mention, no, you are doing great. I want to learn from you. You don't use that much fancy words. I can connect with you.
Uh,
So you are very good at now. Please provide. So then I thought, let's try how it goes.
Yes, nowadays English is transforming to advanced words to basic. Not that much basic, but simple English. People love listening to those whosoever speak simple English, basic English, right? Because I also molded myself to fancy words to basic. Because nowadays I have been working on my sentence structure, grammar pattern, because I also want to become a professional English teacher. I am already a teacher, but I want to become a professional English teacher. I want to join some platforms where I can teach confidently. So for that, I think I don't need to learn fancy words. I should have a appropriate grammar and good sentence structure so that I can make my students understand.
Correct. I also don't prefer using that much hi-fi word. Whether I read books, I am into reading, so I love reading books always, and I know lots of vocabulary, but I cannot use every time. And I
Yes.
also don't like if I connect with co-learners and the person is start using very hi-fi word. That is out of syllabus. I don't know anything. So what does it mean?
Uncomfortable.
You try to impress me. I'm not try. I cannot be connected with you. I need to ask again and again. Sorry, what did you say? Sorry. So I don't like this type of conversation. So I can feel their pain. That's why I always try to be simple because I also struggle sometimes if I watch any podcast and there is lots of the word, idiom, phrasal that is out of syllabus. So I don't know what is the meaning of sentence, what you enjoy.
Yes, yes, actually, out of syllabus.
Yeah, it happens. This is craze, in our YouTube channel, there is lots of people. They bombarding what we say.
Bombarded. They are bombarded with so many fancy words and idioms.
You understand, I'm so much intelligent. I have lots of knowledge, but I don't think if you cannot not read my mind, you are not that much intelligent. You first understand my level, then you should learn use that word.
Exactly.
Otherwise, there is no such use of that word. And
Right.
I don't feel connected with you. In future, I cannot have again session.
Right. You already make others uncomfortable, na? So that's why you can't connect with them. So whosoever is speaking, fancy words, idioms, and you have to ask them over and again, can you please repeat again? Pardon? Come again?
And that is very awkward moment for both.
Yes. And
Yeah.
you are unable to post that video on YouTube. अरे रहने दो इस वीडियो को.
Otherwise, you edit a lot. You have to cut all the things where you get silent. That is
Yes.
also good. So yes, I believe simplicity. You should use very simple word. Yes, if you know that is very great, you can use with some fluent speaker. But I don't use, and I also not habitual of using that because I connect with co-learners. They are not that much fluent all the time. So there
Mm-hmm.
is no such meaning. I don't need to impress anyone. I am learner. I am into this journey. I am enjoying my journey. Whatever knowledge I have, I'm trying to share with you. That's
Yes.
it. I
Yes.
never impress anyone.
Exactly. Actually, it is a very nice conversation with you. Actually, I have to fetch my daughter Jyoti ji. It's already 11:55. So
Okay.
I guess I don't want to miss. I want to listen to you more, but it's my means what should I say problem. I have to go because 12
Compulsion.
o'clock.
Yes,
Compulsion.
yes.
Yes. So
Yes,
okay
no
then.
problem.
Huh.
Yes.
Okay, then. Bye bye. It was
Bye-bye.
literally a very phenomenal session. Hilarious. Like we laughed a lot during the session as well. So I really loved exchanging words with you. So thank you so much for joining me, conversing, and giving your insights on this topic. Okay, then. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much. It was really amazing session with you. Bye bye. Take care.
Okay, bye.